Valdosta's newest car wash is open. The new Goo-Goo Car Wash is located at 1510 Victory Drive, close to the Lowndes County High School and Sam's Club. Goo-Goo's state-of-the-art car washing equipment will clean and pamper your car. A great selection of washes are available for you to choose from. The Express Wash or the Goo-Goo Special. The Works, America's Best Wash, the Ultimate Wash, and the fabulous full-service wash, where our specially trained employees give your car that new look and feel while you take a break in the lobby. Now let's take a trip through Valdosta's fabulous new Goo-Goo Car Wash.
As you can see, this vehicle will be receiving the Ultimate Wash, which is our $18 package. And in just a minute, we're going to see what all that includes. Some soaps are included in multiple packages, starting at different prices. This here is our foam curtain. It is only with the $18 wash at this time. And of course, you're getting the pre-soak and the wintergreen tunnel scent as well. Here at the first stage of cleaning is where the wraps take over and brush the sides of the car, front and the back as well. At this point, we're in the tri-foam just before the midder curtain, which scrubs the top of the car. Our first rinse station. This is the hot tornado wax, also only available with $18. Our top brush cuts down on bolts remaining on the vehicle and cleans the top to a better degree. This is the Ultra Seal station. It helps protect against rain. It's a Rain-X product. Final rinse and final close to drug people. You can see we try to get a spot-free wash with every car. Once the light turns green, put the vehicle back in drive and continue around the vacuum.
Goo-Goo Valdosta will make your car perfectly clean in minutes. Lots of vacuum, so there's no waiting. Valdosta's newest car wash is open. Goo-Goo, with the very latest modern equipment to wash your car. Stop by soon between Lowndes County High School and Sam's Club next to I-75 in Valdosta, Georgia.